Hello everyone, I'm Zahra. I hope you are doing really well. In this video tutorial, I want to explain the layout of Moodle MM14. We are in the first page of the course and we see different parts. For instance, the heading or this taskbar including different links. On the left navigation bar, we've got table of content and different links. In the middle, we've got the body of the course, and again on the right, we've got the other blocks and links to access different parts of the course. Okay, let's begin from the upper part. Here in this menu, the drop-down menu, we can access different registered courses. We can log in or log out here with our Gmail, Facebook, LinkedIn or Microsoft accounts. We can find different free courses on the Moodle for Teacher and EVO and learn something about the site, subscribe to different parts and donate. And also there are some links here to different parts and different courses, to these different activities of this course. The other thing is the participants. We can see who is in this side with us. As you see, the people, the name of the people is seen here. Okay, let's go back. And here we can navigate which parts we should follow. We are. And the table of contents includes the links that, as I mentioned, we can find in these buttons. Comments. So through this comments box, we can interact with each other and send some messages. And here, this block shows exhibits portfolio, and we can go to different parts of this portfolio. People, again, the participants, as was here up in the top right corner, again is accessible here. And the online users, you can see who is online through this block. And on the right you see latest announcements, upcoming events, the date and the time based on our time zone. If you have adjusted the time zone and edited it in your profile, are available here. These are the live meetings and webinars that we are going to have on a weekly basis. We can also go to calendar and see more details about the upcoming events. Okay, we've got this calendar on the left and more details about live sessions or live meetings or webinars in the main part. Another block is completion progress. You see different boxes here in this bar, and when you hover the mouse over it, that activity shows here. You can go to that activity directly from this part, especially if it says not completed. As soon as you complete one activity, the tick, you see the tick here, and it shows that it is completed. Again, this activities forum is accessible here too. You see it in this course up the top. And also latest badges. We receive badges based on the completion of our tasks on a weekly basis, and we can see them here. And also we can go to different blog menus and register for any menus from this part. Okay, these were the blogs and links of the course, but what is the main body of the course? The first part, that's we can, as I mentioned, go from the table of content, or this main body is overview and syllabus. You see the overview of the course, the course description, a video tutorial here, and the link to the syllabus is here. We can go to the Google Doc including the syllabus of the course. Okay, you see the course description and requirements for completion of the course are available here for us to learn from it. Okay. Let's go back to the main part. One thing about Moodle is these links at the bottom of the pages. We can go to the next link from this part or here, badges and certificates. This page shows us about the badges and certificates we can get, and for example this page shows about the badges, and you see the criteria and conditions for receiving a badge. For instance, when we talk about week 1, I received this badge when I meet all these criteria and conditions. And again, let's this time go through the link to the next part, live online classes. We've got live meetings on a weekly basis that you realize the links are on upcoming events on the right, and also the links are available here. We meet each other every week, I think on Zoom, it must be Zoom, and discuss different things and become familiar with the layout of the next week. Announcement and general discussions and support. In this section, we can learn about different announcements. Go to this forum. These are different forums including different announcements. Help desk for support, general discussion forum, and support videos. Okay. If we create a video tutorial and it needs to be improved, we can see it here. Now let's take a look at the weeks. Week 1 has got 2 parts. Week 2 again has got 2 parts or 2 sections. Week 3 also is the same. We've got 3 blocks available to a manager, and in the next part you see a combination of week 3 and 4, collaboration course design. And finally is the certificate of completion. Moodle teacher online training. The certificate is restricted and not available unless we meet these criteria. When we completed these conditions, we can receive the certificate of completion. And also when we go to different parts of the weeks, one by one, we see different forums and different videos explaining how to complete the tasks, how to participate in the course. For instance, about video tutorials that now I'm working, we've got different guides for it, and then we are taught and instructed how to create a video tutorial and what to do in this course. In the other parts, again, in week 2 we learn about learning and teaching online and course design and resources and activities. Blocks available to a manager are the focus of the first part of the week 3, and in the next part the combination of week 3 and 4. Again, we've got collaborative course design, and then installing something here on the Padlet wall. And finally, as I mentioned, certificate of completion is awaiting us. And one thing is that you can see some of these blocks at the bottom of the page in the footer. They can appear on the right, in the center, and on the left. Here we've got administration or course administration. Course administration for me as a student includes unenroll me from the course or question bank. I'm not going to press this one to unenroll myself, but let's take a look at the question bank. We may see if there is something available for us. Okay. There are some defaults and some categories based on defaults and some filters showing or not showing different parts of the course. Okay, let's go back to the different parts of the questions and question banks. Let's go back to the main page of the course, and again you see different apps here, you see different social network links here, and these are very practical links that help us access different parts of the course. And I'm sure we are going to have amazing collaboration and cooperation and a great learning opportunity in Moodle MOOC 14. Thank you so much for your attention and have a nice time.